I know a place to get candies, Leo. Upstairs.
Oh,
Come, let's go.
Where? Let's go get some candy. Let's go get some candy.
Now here's the room. Let's go inside. Let's go get some candy. Oh, look, there's the candy.
Yeah, let's take some.
What happened? Why did the lights turn off? What happened?
I'm so scared.
Who's taking my candy?
Who's that? Who's that?
Who's taking my candy?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Why are here?
To get some candy?
You want some candies?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Leo.
And what's your name?
Alice.
What do you want?
Some candy?
Candies. Okay, now I'm gonna give you some candies. But now, take this one,
Are you ready?
take this one.
Candy.
Wait, you cannot go home. You have to give me something back.
But what's
So I will.
what are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm a scientist. Maybe I can show you some experiments. Maybe I can show you some Halloween experiments.
Is that okay? That's okay?
Let me think.
Please.
Fluorescence is the ability of certain chemicals to give off visible light after absorbing radiation which is not normally visible like UV light. Under ultraviolet light they look so interesting, glowing very brightly.
Okay, now just show me what you got.
Now we're gonna add some fluorescein to make the water glow.
First me.
Okay, yeah, first you know.
Oh, what is this? Can you explain to me?
This is fluorescein. If you put it in water, it'll make the water glow.
Oh my God, I have lived for 2,000 years and I've never seen something like that
Okay,
before.
now put the flashlight on.
Oh, that's lovely.
If I put it up, it doesn't glow when I put it on.
You need the UV light
Wow.
to look how it's glowing. Look.
One more.
See how it's glowing? Looks like glowing clouds.
It's so
Now I'm gonna show you this. Gonna write Halloween on your hand.
You're gonna write Halloween on my hand?
Hello.
There's nothing to show. Are you kidding?
No!
Oh, you mean this?
Oh, what did you write?
Halloween.
Oh, I can see it now.
Is
It's Halloween.
that fun?
Yes, that's lots of fun.
And then the light turned on.
There's nothing again.
There is.
Oh, I really like that. Oh my God, and what is this called?
This is called a UV light pen.
Oh, I liked it and I will take it.
Can we go home now?
I got one.
Okay, let's see it. Okay, what we're gonna do now?
The dry ice experiment.
What is this?
It's dry ice.
Oh,
Do you know what it's made of?
No.
It's made of frozen CO2 gas.
And if you touch it with your, if you don't have
A special
certain-
glove.
special gloves,
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
your hands is gonna be very cold.
Yeah, you're gonna get frostbite burn. He's right. And now we're gonna put it in water. What do you think is gonna happen?
Don't forget to get your special gloves.
Okay.
And and when we put it in water, it's gonna convert from solid straight to gas. And what do you think that process is called?
I don't know.
It's called sublimation. Now, what do you think What do you think is gonna happen when I put it in water?
It's got smoke is gonna come out.
Good job. Now, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Smoke is coming out.
You can even
Wow.
you can drink it. You can drink it. You can eat it. You can hold it. You can hold it with. You can hold the frog in a
Oh my god. That's so cool.
Oh. Ah! So much fun.
Yes, so
I can't even see the floor.
I can
Wow. Wow, that's so fun.
You can drink it if you want. You turned into a dragon.
I love that.
Did you see all this fun?
Yes.
It's not compared to this experiment of how fun it is.
Did you get the next one?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is the final one.
so, so let's see the next one.
This is the final one.
Okay, now what's gonna happen to my little pumpkin?
It's gonna be Alfred toothpaste time.
So for this one, we need hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, soap, and potassium iodide.
And what's gonna happen?
And we're gonna take it, put some colors, put
toothpaste.
some soap,
And
and put the potassium
toothpaste
iodide.
gonna come
We're
out.
gonna put it under the pumpkin, and the potassium iodide is gonna come out of its face.
Oh, that's interesting. Come on, let's start.
And toothpaste can come out.
Yeah.
Really?
Elephant.
When
Let's
is
start.
gonna top plate gonna pop?
Now we're gonna.
Open the color for you.
Okay, let me open
can
it.
put
No,
it-
let me open it. Now we're gonna take the
It's gonna go under.
and put some color.
So nice. So can we mix it?
No, not gonna. Now some soap.
Add some soap, yeah.
It made the food coloring go away. Look.
All of it.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna put all of it.
Look how it made the food coloring go away.
No, it's making it go down.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's going down.
It's interesting, right?
It's going down.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put it under the pumpkin and put the potassium iodide.
Okay, wait, we're just
But-
gonna mix
but-
it first.
Yeah,
But-
but actually
but-
first we need
Coco,
to
but look
we
at
need
that
to
little-
mix it.
I know.
Okay, we're gonna mix it. Okay, all
That's
done.
nice. That's
Okay,
nice.
all done.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put it under the pumpkin.
Wait.
Now we're gonna put the potassium iodide.
Potassium iodide.
Yes,
What is this?
potassium iodide.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, what is this? It was so fast.
It was so. Lina, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Oh my god.
It squirted everywhere.
Come, let's check.
Look at that. It squirted.
I do it 2 times.
No. Look at this. It made heat.
Good coloring.
This.
Is it hot? A bit.
The best thing about Halloween that you can eat too much chocolate. Happy Halloween, everyone!
Happy Halloween and
One little pumpkin smiling, smiling.
one little
Pumpkin.
smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling. No. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
like and subscribe to find the scariest lab.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween,
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween. Bye bye. Welcome to Faris' Scariest Lab.